It's Razor Pop lah!
Who can forget the dramatic Jack Neo press conference where his wife claps? Razor TV gets the Vcast to reenact the scene.
Sorry, I take over your wife.
So you're also going to be doing the Jack Neo saga, right?
I cannot anyhow say, no, there's no Jack Neo in Saga.
So who is...
But there is a director. He is doing a casting call, but there is no Jack Neo. No Jack Neo, okay.
Okay, do you think it's like the biggest and juiciest showbiz drama here?
Yeah, I think it's juicy.
I think it's very juicy and very dripping and very wet.
Okay, so who's going to be playing Hoist?
Who is Hoist? Hoist.
Jack Neo, right, reportedly he's going to make a movie out of this scandal. So, if... Yeah, that's what reports said.
Sorry, no enough.
Okay, so if you
I'm not sorry enough.
Okay, if you could nab a role in the movie, right, who would you want to be? Why? Is it the easiest?
The least line, the person with nothing to do with. The headline.
Okay.
After you must find this kind of role. Very little line, you got nothing to do with the plot, but you say one line only, everybody remember. That is the thinking actor.
So just him. What about the others? Is it? I thought the wife like the easiest. Just faint. Don't need any lines.
Crying.
It's very challenging. Shane can do it very well.
The Alphard lah. You have to be the Alphard.
I want to be the Alphard car.
The what?
The car, the Alphard.
How are you going to be there?
They all have it.
Oh, the van! You want to be the van?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
So what about Lady Gaga? You guys are...
Wow.
All the way, man.
You're going to do Lady Baba, right?
Yeah.
So who's going to be Lady Baba?
You must come and watch to know.
Yeah.
Oh,
they may not just be one Lady Baba.
Maybe it's true.
How about the outfits? Will it be as outrageous?
Outrageous!
Outrageous!
His outfit!
How about she always flashes her panties and all.
We're gonna flash more than panties!
What are panties?
How about she in the telephone video? She do the wrap around thing. So anyone gonna...
We're doing
everything, okay.
Complete with the police tape, murder tape.
Okay, so any one of you know some Lady Baba moves?
You just show that one, the salute one,
Oh, okay.
Right, left, front, back.
Okay.
Okay, one, two. Just show you sitting down. Sitting down.
Oh.
Which one is this one?
Baba, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Baba Rasi.
In the next clip, we challenge the cast to a series of Korea-related questions. Let's see if they are Korean enough to pass our test.